Over 94% of car owners drive around every single day completely blind to powerful features already engineered into their vehicle. These aren't fancy upgrades or expensive add-ons. They're built-in tools that improve safety, save money, prevent breakdowns, and make daily driving smoother, yet almost nobody ever uses them. Today I'm revealing the 18 little-known car features you never noticed exist, starting with the ones that can literally protect your life. Feature 18, Hidden Seat Belt Height Slider. Look at the B-pillar between your front and rear doors. That small plastic slider most people treat like decoration is actually one of the most important safety adjustments in the entire cabin. Your seat belt is engineered to ride across the middle of your shoulder and down across the strong bones of your chest. When it sits too high against your neck or too low across your upper arm, the force of a crash concentrates in the worst possible places. Sliding that adjuster up or down takes 2 seconds and instantly puts the belt where the engineers intended. Secret number 17, Removable Cup Holder Divider. Most people fight with that little plastic bar in the center console like it's permanently glued in place. It is. On the vast majority of cars you can simply pull it straight up and out. Suddenly one narrow cup holder becomes a wide, stable slot that swallows a big travel mug, a small bag of snacks, or your phone standing upright without bouncing every time you hit the brakes. Need 2 regular cups again? Snap the divider back in. Some models even stack 2 dividers so you get 3 different configurations depending on what you're carrying that day. Secret number 16, Hidden Door Umbrella Holder. You've thrown a soaking wet umbrella onto the passenger seat or the floor more times than you'd like to admit. Many cars, especially European models, though a growing number of American and Asian vehicles too, have a dedicated slot built right into the door panel or under the seat. It includes a drainage channel that routes water straight out of the vehicle so nothing pools on the carpet. Most owners never discover it because it looks like just another piece of interior plastic. Check both front doors and under both front seats once you find it. Secret number 15, Wiper Nozzle Pin Adjustment. If your washer fluid sprays too high, too low, or completely misses the windshield, the fix is almost never a new nozzle. Inside that little black plastic tip is a tiny ball joint that pivots. Take a sewing needle or a thin pin, slide it into the opening, and gently nudge the aim a few degrees at a time. Test the spray, adjust again, and in under a minute you can have the fluid hitting exactly where the wipers need it. Secret number 14, Windshield Black Dots Feature. That fading pattern of black dots along the edge of your windshield isn't decoration. It's called the frit band. Those dots block ultraviolet light from degrading the adhesive that holds the glass in place, control heat during manufacturing so the glass doesn't crack, and soften the visual transition so your eyes don't strain against a hard black line. Every quality windshield replacement has to match that exact pattern. A mismatched or missing frit band is often the first visual clue that an aftermarket glass job used lower-grade materials. Next time you're cleaning the glass. Secret number 13, Rain Sensor Wiper Adjustment. Your automatic wipers either flail like crazy in light mist or lag badly when the rain gets heavy. That behavior is almost always adjustable. Many vehicles let you change rain sensor sensitivity through the infotainment screen or a small dial near the steering column. The optical sensor measures drop size and frequency, but the threshold that decides when the wipers start and how fast they move is under your control. Dial it in once and the system stops guessing. Revisit the setting when seasons change. What feels perfect in a spring drizzle can feel sluggish in a summer downpour. Secret number 12, Windshield Defogging Trick. Fog hits the glass and most drivers immediately slam the heat on full and hit recirculation. That combination traps moist cabin air against cold glass and makes the problem worse. Turn recirculation off so the system pulls in drier outside air and turn the air conditioning on even if it's cold outside. The AC removes moisture while the outside air dilutes the humidity. Clear glass appears in a fraction of the time. The same method works on side windows. It feels wrong the first time you try it. After the second time, it becomes pure instinct every time the glass starts to cloud. Secret number 11, Key Fob Hidden Tricks. Your key fob is far more capable than lock and unlock. Hold it against the side of your head and the water in your body acts as an antenna, extending the range across a big parking lot. On many cars, holding the unlock button for a few seconds lowers every window so the hot air escapes before you even open the door. Almost every modern fob also hides a physical metal key behind a small latch on the side. Slide it out, and you have a pure mechanical backup that works with zero battery. Some systems let a single press unlock only the driver's door while a double press opens everything. Secret number 11, Correct Tire Pressure Location. The big number molded into the sidewall of your tire is the maximum pressure the tire can safely hold, not the pressure your car was designed for. Inflating to that number creates a harsh ride, reduced grip, and uneven wear. The correct pressure lives on a sticker inside the driver's door jamb, calculated specifically for your vehicle's weight and suspension. Underinflated tires overheat and steal fuel economy. Overinflated tires bounce and lose contact patch, even if you've switched to a different tire size. Secret number 10, floor mat safety hooks. Those little plastic hooks or clips on the floor look decorative. They're not. They lock the mat in place so it cannot slide forward and trap the accelerator or brake pedal. Unsecured floor mats have caused some of the largest safety recalls in automotive history. Aftermarket all-weather mats are especially risky because many of them lack the same retention system as the original mats. Secret number 9, cabin air filter scent trick. That musty smell when the air conditioning first kicks on usually isn't the carpets, it's the cabin filter. Every bit of air that reaches your face passes through that filter first. The next time you change it, put 1 or 2 drops of a light essential oil, citrus or peppermint work especially well, onto the filter media before you install it. Every time the fan runs, a subtle clean scent circulates through the cabin. Secret number 8, auto lock on walkway. Plenty of modern cars will lock themselves the moment your key fob walks out of range. Some flash the lights to confirm. Some let you set a short delay so you can grab something you forgot. The setting is usually buried a couple of menus deep under vehicle or door options. Once you turn it on, the constant "did I lock it?" mental loop disappears. A few systems even let you adjust the distance that triggers the lock. Secret number 7, rear defroster mirror heating. On a freezing morning, most people stand outside scraping both side mirrors by hand. Hit the rear defroster button and on the majority of vehicles, the side mirrors clear at the same time. They share the same circuit so you only have to remember one button. Some cars also heat the wiper park area so ice loosens from the blades after you use it a few times. Secret number 5, manual fuel door release. Your battery is dead, the electronic fuel door button does nothing, and you're standing at the pump with an empty tank. Almost every car with an electronic release also has a pure mechanical backup, usually a cable or lever in the trunk or under the driver's seat. Locate it right now while everything is working. It requires no power and no tools. A 2-minute check in your driveway today prevents a very stressful afternoon later. Secret number 4, DIY self-diagnostics feature. Check engine light comes on and most people immediately picture a diagnostic fee. Under the dashboard near the steering column sits the OBD-Hi port. A simple plug-in scanner that costs $15 to $25 reads the exact same codes the shop would pull. Many of them pair with a free phone app that translates the code into plain English. Some auto parts stores will even read it for free. Owning a cheap scanner turns a scary dashboard warning into a 2-minute decision about whether you need a shop or just a simple fix. Secret number 3, underseat storage compartments. Running out of places to put things? Lift the front seat cushions or look for a release tab. Many sedans, SUVs, and trucks hide a compartment under the driver or passenger seat designed for tools, documents, or anything you'd rather keep out of sight in a parking lot. Some even have a small tray so items don't slide around. Check both front seats, locations vary by model. Plenty of owners go the entire life of the car without ever discovering the space that was under them the whole time. Secret number 2, gas pedal reset trick. After a battery disconnect or cert repairs, the throttle can feel jerky or hesitant. The computer has lost its memory of the pedal's resting position. With the car off, turn the key to the on position, dashboard lights, engine still off, then back to off. Repeat that cycle 3 times, ending on off. On the final cycle, turn the key to on, press the accelerator all the way to the floor, hold for 10 seconds, then release slowly. Turn the key off, wait 30 seconds, and start normally. A slightly rough idle for the first minute is normal while the system relearns. Exact steps can vary slightly by brand, so check your manual, but this free reset often solves what would otherwise become a paid diagnosis. Secret number 1, hands-free liftgate. Arms full of groceries and no free hand for the trunk button. On many newer vehicles, a simple kicking motion under the rear bumper opens the lift gate automatically when the key fob is nearby. The sensor is tuned specifically for that motion, so random shopping carts or dogs don't trigger it. Some systems even let you close the gate the same way. Once your family gets used to it, going back to a car without the feature feels like a genuine step backward. A few models also allow sensitivity adjustment if it triggers too easily or not at all. How many of these did you already know? Drop a comment and tell me which one surprised you the most. If this video just saved you money, time, or a potential safety issue, hit subscribe. Your car still has more secrets waiting and I'm not done revealing them. The next video covers 17 more features most mechanics never mention. Click it and keep learning.